something though, babe. I just found out that I only got one ticket to the party about content creation next week, which means I gotta write, shoot, edit, and promote all over the social medias about how I'm gonna content create to go to the content creation party. Totally cool, babe. You stuck with me through my session with florals and everything, but maybe I just need a content creator. This video is gonna be from a content creator's perspective about content creators dating. I got influenced for this video by seeing this on Twitter or X. What's going on? Give it to you. Should content creators date other content creators? Let me preface this with, if you found the perfect partner who can roll with the punches of your lifestyle, congratulations, please protect that unicorn. They are on the endangered species list. Here's a pro. You do make your own hours, for the most part. A con of that, people may feel like you're choosing work over them. And there's also a situation where people think that you have this flexible schedule, this free time, so they can start infringing on your hours of the day to do things that they want. And that just is a little bit of an overstep. A pro of dating another content creator, you kind of understand that there's boundaries of what to post and what not to post. You can post 500 pieces of content a day, but in that 500 pieces of content that you post, you might not give away much of anything, all that personal that you don't want out into the world. You understand your boundaries. A con of dating somebody who isn't a content creator, they might think that you're just free, willy-nilly, cool and down to post whatever. I'm half dressed and sleep in bed with my dog. Please don't post that. I will do a video with Renegade in the starring role on my own terms. It's just this thing of not knowing when to overstep, which, God, doesn't that just sound like almost any sort of relationship? But when you throw in the factor that there's an internet with an audience, things can definitely really go haywire in this scenario. So obviously the answer to this entire video is going to fall on you and your partner, but I've fallen on the side of, I would prefer someone who's done some kind of creative endeavor to try to make a buck off of, whether that be content creation, just something in this sphere that has taken up their time before and they have an idea of what the heck this is and what the heck this content creation, creative life is not. I find that incredibly valuable to me personally. And also, if you're not dating anybody, it's just great having a friend or two, or a friend group if you're so fortunate, who does the sort of content creation that you do and understands it on that level. Some people to chat with and talk to. So great for mental. I do have a Facebook page that I'm on from time to time. It's called The Shot Callers. Just hit me up over there if you want to swing by, talk about content creation. You want a group to hang out in, it's me and some other people. Swing on by. That's over on Facebook. We've got shirts, t-shirts, and everything else available over YeagerShots.com. You can also get in touch with me right over there on my own personal website. Thank you for watching this video. So hit that like button. Make sure that you don't miss what we got coming up, and subscribe to never miss a shot from YeagerShots.com. See y'all later.